Greensiri welcomes you all. Let your second home be a farmhouse with Greensiri. Join us on a journey through our story, vision, mission, philosophy, and the unique offerings that makes us exceptional. At Greensiri Farm, we redefine luxury living with spacious, thoughtfully designed farmhouses nestled within breathtaking landscapes. Our tagline, Path for Luxury Farmhouses, reflects our commitment to providing unmatched living experiences in harmony with nature. Greensiri isn't just about owning a farmhouse, it's about finding a place to relax, connect with nature, and build a community of friends who share your love for a peaceful and eco-friendly lifestyle. Our vision is clear, creating luxury farmhouse living experiences that promote nature with a peaceful community. Greensiri Farm is more than just a place to live, it's a sanctuary where residents can immerse themselves in the beauty of nature while enjoying modern comforts. Our mission is to provide farmland with well-designed farmhouses for unmatched living experiences. We believe in creating spaces that inspire connection, creativity, and sustainable living practices. Our philosophy revolves around three core principles: nature, luxury, peace. At Greensiri Farm, we strive to integrate these principles into every aspect of our community, from our eco-friendly practices to our commitment to preserving local ecosystems. At Greensiri Farm, our values drive every decision we make. From prioritizing proximity for convenience to supporting eco-friendly practices for responsible growth and conservation. With a focus on luxury amenities, we craft a unique living experience. Greensiri offers exclusive farmlands seamlessly blending with nature, creating a luxurious escape for those seeking a peaceful, eco-friendly lifestyle. Here's why you should choose Greensiri Farmlands. Nature-integrated farmlands, community living, luxury farmhouse, tax-free investment, appreciate an asset. Our special amenities are carefully curated to offer a holistic living experience that integrates sustainability, creativity, and community engagement. From our Goshala and animal feeding area, where residents can connect with gentle cows and farm animals, to our pottery making facilities that encourage artistic expression and tradition. Our serene natural ponds provide a tranquil escape, while our composting and biogas initiatives promote eco-friendly practices and renewable energy. These amenities embody our commitment to creating a harmonious living environment. How we distinguish ourselves: integrating 5 human senses into design concepts. We believe in creating living spaces that engage all 5 human senses, enriching your experience and fostering a deeper connection with nature. Sight: feast your eyes on the picturesque landscapes. Taste: indulge your taste buds with the freshest, most flavorful produce straight from our organic farms. Fragrance: immerse yourself in the earthy aroma of freshly plowed soil to the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers. Every breath is a reminder of the abundance and vitality of the natural world. Touch: feel the soft grass beneath your feet, the gentle caress of the breeze on your skin, and the texture of the wall as you embrace the tactile beauty of nature. Sound: from the chirping of birds to the rustling of leaves in the wind, every sound is a symphony that calms the mind and uplifts the spirit. Come, invest and experience the magic of Greensiri Farm, where luxury and nature embrace in perfect harmony. Your journey to a life of peace, serenity, and connection awaits.